Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and today I have Blue Heaven Matte Love Mini Lipsticks and I'm gonna try all the shade on their face. This lipstick has total 10 shades. It looks like this. We have 3 red shades here, 4 brown shades, and then we have 3 pink based lipsticks. Yeah, so it is kind of interesting how these mini lipsticks have these many shades. So let me try it one by one on bare face. So let's play safe and start with the brown one. I'm gonna swatch all this lipstick on my hand and then I will apply on my lips. So starting with the first brown shade, it is BO08. Okay, so it looks like, so this is how it looks on hand. Now I'm gonna apply it on my lips. Oh, it is actually good. It kind of gives me a light red tint to it. Maybe it has little bit red. This shade is pretty good for daily use. Okay, so moving forward, we have BO19. Okay, so it's more on a brown shade. It didn't look like it have any red tone. It looks like more brown thing. This legit look like concealer. Here it was looking good, but what happened here? Let's try with brown liner. Maybe it will settle it down. So with brown lip liner, okay, I can wear it sometime. It does the job. Yeah, brown lip liner to the rescue, guys. Lipstick was not good in shade, but my lip liner saved it. Moving forward, we have BO30. I have good expectation from this one. Yeah. Okay, so this is a pretty shade, but I like the first one the best till now. Why this all lipstick is giving me a tinted red thing? Why? The last brown lipstick, that is BO31. Let's see how it will look. No, oh my god. I'm not feeling good about this one. I'm not feeling good about this one. These second one was concealing me or washing me out, and this is way lighter than the second one. Please do not laugh on me. I'm looking like a damn monkey, bro. What is this? Oh my god. Chee. Brown liner to the rescue. If this liner will not work in this shade, I'm not gonna use this. No, never. Please. With lip liner, I can definitely wear it, but without it, I cannot. Sorry. The brown range is completed, and now we will move to the red part. So starting with RM14. Let's see. Okay, so it's giving me a proper red. God save me. Looking too much bright. It's looking. Wait, did I see pink tint? It is not that bad. It's just too bright. Actually really bright. It's actually really bright. Enough. Lips is looking good, but this area it is looking very bright. If I can do something with the lip liner, yeah, I guess it will work. Yes. Little bit of alteration with this lip liner, and till now every lipstick I can work with everyone with this lip liner, of course. So the next red lipstick we have is RM15. I can see a hint of pink. Maybe it's crimson red. Let's see. Fingers are crossed. Expectations are really low. Oh my god. What is this red? भाई कतई जहर एकदम से ही अटेंशन सारा लिप्स पे आ गया है. What is this doing? I kind of like this color. Like in camera it is looking really cool. In real life it is not looking that good to me because maybe I'm not so into the dark colors, that's why. So this is the last red lipstick in these mini lipsticks set and it is RM26. Okay, so this is the readiest red. In compared to all these three, this is the lightest one. This is kind of medium and this one was the darkest, as well as it has a pink shade. It was a crimson red, I guess. And the last one is scaring the shit out of me because it is looking way too bright. It is looking way too bright. I'm really afraid. Oh god, please be humble to me, please. Speechless. The first lipstick was bright only here, and this lipstick is bright all over my lips. Again, brown lip liner to the rescue, and let me tone it down. Oh, it is actually good shade. I'm happy with this color. Like with the brown lip liner, I can make it work. All these three shades, this is the only lipstick that did not look pink. Like, you know, the hint of pink the previous one was giving me, this one did not give. It was a proper red. It was a proper red. It is a proper red. So red series is completed and now we have the pink one. I was already scared of red lipstick and now the pink one is scary enough that it is looking like purple. So here it comes, the first pink shade in the mini lipstick series, that is PM09. Please God, please. From where it is looking pink. Now I will definitely look like a clown. The color is good. If you like the purple shade or you wear purple shades, then it is a good one. It is quite pigmented, as you can see. It has a good color. So next pink is PM13. Swatch it. So this one is also giving a hint of purple. ऐसा तो नहीं दिख रहा पर swatch करने में पता लग रहा है. It is very similar to this one. God save me. Why I am even making this video and I am questioning my decision. What did I just watch? What the heck is this? So we have 2 lipstick in the whole set. That is washing me the hell out. Let me try applying lip liner and try to make it a little good. It is not looking good in the video and not even looking good in real life. It is a big no. The starting lipstick were pretty good. The brown ones were the best one in the whole series, this whole package. Then the red and pink one is going to the bottom in my ranking. Pretty bad, pretty bad. Pink have some shame, bro. You were 3 people and 2 were the bad one. So this is the last hope, the last swatch, the last. Have some shame, but I am having very bad feeling about it. Very bad feeling about it. See, this is a pinky and this is giving me this red wala feeling. Exact same. I'm gonna look like a clown, guys, now. God save me. And the disaster. Told you it reminds me of the brightest red, but I did make it work with the brown lip liner. Let's see What if I add the brown one? Okay, after adding the first brown lipstick, EO08, now it is looking like a normal pink lipstick. After adding the brown one, maybe it is looking good on the camera, but in real life it is not looking that good. So all these mini lipsticks are done from my end. I have shown you every shade on my bare skin, how it looks, and these are the swatches for all the lip shades. The starting 4 is the brown one, these 3 are the red one, and the last 3 are the pink one. Every brown lipstick is giving a red tint, and the red was giving me the pink tint apart from the RM26, the third one, and the pink was a major L. It was major L. Like, what the fuck was even pink? What the fuck was even this shade? It is looking a freaking purple. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe for more such content. Bye.